Imagine stepping back in time, where ancient cities rise before your eyes. With AI-enhanced visualization, we bring history to life in stunning 3D detail. Explore interactive virtual tours of archaeological sites right from your screen. Experience the past like never before with immersive AI-generated models. See ancient life unfold through realistic animations and simulations. AI is revolutionizing how we connect with history, making it captivating and accessible. Join us on this journey through time, where the past meets the future.